What's up, y'all? Welcome to another channel of Machine Head Repair Project. Today we're going to be working on this 2013 Nissan Rogue, and what we're going to be doing is removing the side mirror and replacing it. So I've already made a video of how to install it, and it's because the side mirror on the driver's side was knocked off and it was easy to just take off and just replace a new one. So I'm just going to show y'all a quick demonstration of how to take it off and just put it right back on. For this quick demonstration, we're going to go ahead and do the passenger side. So it's actually quite easy. If you want to take the whole door panel off, you can. And to do that, there's going to be a bolt back here. And then everything else, you're just gonna, so right back here, there's a little tab that you're gonna use your little flathead and remove. And then there's a 10mm bolt right there. And we're gonna use your 10mm socket and just remove that bolt. Next, what you're gonna need is your plastic pry tool. And you're just gonna go around the area of the door panel and just pop off the tab, and you're going to hear a snap. Once you get a couple off, you can just pull by hand, and it's going to be all the way around. Next, what you want to do is you're going to remove this. You're going to put your pry tool back there and just pry it up, and we're just going to go ahead and disconnect. Just push the tab and remove, and we'll go ahead and put this to the side. If you want to do this to make it easy for you, you can roll down the window, but you really don't have to. After you're taking this off and you're taking that screw off, we're going to take this little cover off. You're going to put your plastic tool in this little crack, and then you're just going to pull the clip out just like that, and that's what it looks like. It's just clipped on. And as you can see, there's two 10mm bolts in there. There's one on top and one on bottom. And we're going to go ahead and get our 10mm socket and remove that. One. Once you remove all that, then you can pull up and put the door panel down on the floor. These are the two bolts on the handle. Next, to access the mirror, we need to take this cover off. Really, you can just grab it by hand and just pull it off. And it is just these three clips here. And they clip onto 1, 2, 3. Right here, is the connection for the power mirror. You can just pull the tab and remove, and then you got 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts that you're going to just unbolt. 1, 2, 3, and that's 3 nuts there. And from there, the mirror is now loose, and you can just remove it just like that. Now, to install the mirror is the same way. Make sure you put the cord cable through the square end, and you got these 3 bolts here. They're going to go in place. Just like, and then you're going to want your 3 nuts. Go ahead and screw that on by hand so you don't cross thread it. A little connection right here for the power and the control. Go ahead and clip that back on. 10mm, we're going to go ahead and torque these down. Now you grab your cover and clip it back in. Just like that. Next, we're going to put our door panel back on. Raise your door panel up. Put it through the crack of the window. Set it down. And from there, go ahead and push all the clips back in. Just like that. And now we can bolt these two 10mm bolts in. We got two right here. Go ahead and start with one. And get the other one in. Now we're going to put this cover back on, and all it is line it up and snap it in. Next, we're going to go ahead and connect the power window control. Just like that. This end is going to go in here first. Slide that in, and then the back part, just push it down and snap it in. Last and not least, we're going to put this 10mm bolt back into this. And then this little cover right here, we're going to go ahead and put it back in. Just like that, and that's all to it. So that was the passenger side. I have a video on for the driver's side. They're basically the same routine or same instructions how to remove and install. If this video has been helpful, please click the like button. If you have any questions or comment, leave it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe.
Perfect.